All right, everybody. Hello, this is Carlos and Isaac. This is actually our second video for breaking some boxes. Unfortunately, our first video we didn't post because we kind of lost the video a little bit. So, anyways, this is going to be the first video we actually post. We're at BattleBreaks. So BattleBreak.z, is that right?
BattleBreak.z.
On Instagram and also on YouTube. That's going to be our same channel. So right now we have, I think, 62 followers. We just started about 2 weeks ago. So once we get to 100, we're going to give away this OC Umanura 8x10 autographed picture. So go to Instagram, like us, it is certified. And then we'll be giving that out as soon as we hit 100 followers. Actually, the instructions on how to qualify are in the Instagram.
On the post itself.
On the post. All right, guys, so today we got not a big break, probably should be about 10 minutes or so, but we got some really cool cards. So first thing, we got some cheap retail, 2018 packs from Score. So 3 of those. Then these are the better cards. We got some XR 2019. There's only 2 packs in this box, and I think there's 2 auto hits and 1 memo hit. So looking for something big in that box. And then Isaac is bringing the, what do you got there?
The Contenders Optic 2019. 2 autos per box on average, 6 cards per box.
So yeah, not a lot of cards on those 2 better boxes there, but should be some good stuff in there. And then I saw some guy hit a crazy Zion today at the sports store. So I just decided to get one of these $30 Optic packs and see if we can do something special and find a big card. I'm going to go ahead and jump right in with the Score 2018. Should only be like 1 hit per box in these, and there's quite a bit of packs, so we'll try to go kind of quick. We'll rotate packs here. All right, Danny Woodhead, actually, that's awesome. He's from where we're from in Nebraska, just a couple hours down the road. Carson Wentz signal caller, Derwin James draft, and a couple rookies, Denzel Ward, Chase Litton, and Calvin Ridley.
Taylor Gabriel, J.J. Nelson, Eddie Jackson, Dante Hightower, Will Fuller, Robert Kelly, Forey Smith, Color Rush Julio Jones, Fantasy Stars, Michael Crabtree, Jake Wieneke, Deion Kane, and Mark Walton.
All right, guys, so we mentioned this in the first video that we didn't post, so obviously you guys don't know this, but Isaac's a huge Saints fan. I'm a huge Bronco fan, so most of the cards we get, Bronco or Saints, we try to keep for our own collections, especially the hits and autos. Anything else you see on there, if you like the product, give us a shout on Instagram. We probably can work out a deal for you to get the card. Dexter Lawrence, DeMarcus Lawrence, Kelvin Benjamin, Allen Robinson, Tannehill, Williams, Anderson, Thomas, Marvin Jones, all hands team, Kareem Hunt, Jordan Lastly, Derwin James, and Luke Falk.
Marlon Humphrey, DeAnthony Thomas, Xavier Rhodes, Khalil Mack, Cam Chancellor, Leonard Williams, Eric Berry. That's a cool looking card. Scoreboard, Andy Dalton. Draft, Joshua Jackson, Mason Rudolph, J.T. Barrett, and Minka Fitzpatrick.
Kerwin Williams, A.J. Green, LaShawn McCoy, Brandon Cooks, Jadeveon Clowney, Wayne Gallman, James Conner, Julio Jones sidelines, Tremaine Edmonds, Marcus Allen, Joshua Jackson, and Nyheim Hines.
Marvin Jones, Clinton Dix, Kareem Hunt, Julius Thomas, Tyler Lockett, Jermaine Kearse, LaShawn McCoy, Signal Callers Andrew Luck, Captains Kirk Cousins, Adam Brenneman, Dante Pettis, and Kalen Ballage.
Zeke, Carson Palmer, Ragland, Kenny Vaccaro, Josh Norman, Jake Elliott, Sam Hubbard, Blake Bortles, Cam Newton, DJ Moore, Rasheem Green, and Jamon Moore.
Josh Gordon, Graham Gano, Joe Flacco, Halati Ngata, Blake Bortles, DeForest Buckner, Jason Pierre-Paul, All Hands Team Cole Beasley, Celebration Torrey Smith, Lamar Jackson rookie card, Harrison Phillips, and Billy Price.
I think DeForest Buckner got traded today. Taylor, Anthony Barr, Ty Montgomery. Try to get through these a little bit quicker, guys, because there's a lot of packs in here. Quadri Henderson, Color Rush Derek Carr, Dak Prescott, Raquan Smith, Darren Payne, and Jaleel Scott.
Isaiah Crowell, Julius Peppers, Desmond King, Sammy Watkins, Eli Rogers, Ted Ginn Jr., and a patch. Akram Wadley, running back. I don't know who that is. Christian McCaffrey, captains Big Ben, Chase Edmonds, Taven Bryan, and Vita Vea. That is player worn.
Darius Slade, Dak, Mitch Trubisky, Barry, Keenum, Safarian Jenkins, Jimmy Graham, who I think also got traded today. Scorecard, Brady, Huddle Up Packers, a couple rookies. We got Rashad Penny, Logan Woodside, and Shaquem Griffin. All right, guys, next box. We'll try to get through this box faster because there's a lot of packs in these things. Let's start it up.
Julio, Tyler Eifert, Dede Westbrook, Sue. That's pretty cool. He went to Nebraska. Roger Marty, Carlos Hyde, Eli Manning, All Hands Team Marvin Jones. Draft day Josh Allen.
Nice.
I like that card. Scott, Penny, and Woodside.
Charles Clay, Terrence Williams, Kenyon Drake, Joey Bosa, Preston Smith, Le'Veon Bell, Logan Ryan, Christian McCaffrey, T.Y. Hilton, Khalil Balaj, Lamar Jackson, and Harrison Phillips.
AJ Gang, Sean Lee, Keenan Allen, Adam Vinatieri, Trey Flowers, Josh Doctson, Antonio Brown. Sidelines, Julio Jones. Fantasy Stars, Adam Thielen. Rookie Cards, Shaquem Griffin, Denzel Ward, and Chase Litton.
Mike Wallace, Derek Wolfe, Deshaun Kaiser, Julian Edelman, Deshaun Watson, Chris Godwin, Earl Thomas, Julio Jones Color Rush, Jason Witten, and then rookies Josh Adams, Rasheem Evans, and Maurice Hurst.
John Brown, Cameron Meredith, Justin Tucker, Alec Ogletree, Gronk, Adoree Jackson, Alshon Jeffrey, Signal Callers, Blake Bortles, Captains, another Sue, Rookie Cards, Calvin Ridley, Chase Edmonds, and Taven Bryan.
There's Adrian Peterson, Tariq Cohen, Malik Hooker, Gostkowski, Todd Gurley, LeGarrette Blount. Then looks like our hit for this one is Russell Wilson patch card. It's actually pretty cool. I've been trying to get some Russell cards. Pretty excited about that one. And then to finish off that pack, we got Andy Dalton scorecard, Ronnie Harrison, Billy Price, Deshaun Hand, and James Washington.
Matthew Stafford, Corey Coleman, Lamar Miller, Vernon Hargreaves, Jalen Richard, Elijah McGuire, Bo Scarborough, Carla Rush, Derek Carr, Huddle Up for the Patriots, Vita Vea, Jake Wenicky, and Deion King.
Shouldn't be any more hits in these last couple packs, so we'll make them pretty quick. Christian, Miami Mahomes, Thielen, Adams, Pierre Garcon, Paul Perkins, Yellow, Tom Brady, Andrew Luck, Signal Caller, Celebration, Alshon Jeffrey, Goolsby, Lazard, and Wadley.
Luke Kuechly, Von Miller, Tyreek Hill, Stephon Diggs, Russell Wilson, Landon Collins, AJ Green. Scoreboard, Tom Brady. Draft Day, Rashad Penny, Mark Walton, Mason Rudolph, and JT Barrett.
JT Barrett. What happened to that guy?
He's in the XFL right now.
That's PJ Barrett, right? Paxton Lynch, who's not my favorite player. Jordy, Alan Hearns, Jarvis Landry, CJ Beathard, Kobe Fleener, T.Y. Hilton. We have a Cole Beasley, Kerryon Johnson draft card, and then Baker Mayfield rookie. I can't read these upside down for some reason. Kyle Lauletta and Javon Wims.
Tevin Coleman, Giovanni Bernard, Aaron Jones, Jalen Ramsey, Reuben Foster, Brandon Coleman, Celebration, TJ Jones. Cool card. Signal Callers, Carson Wentz.
Carson Wentz.
Eric Berry, Captains. Rookie cards, Minka Fitzpatrick, Adam Brenneman, and Dante Pettis.
All right, guys, these are a lot of just no-name cards here. So we're going to go straight to the fat pack, open it up, and then we're going to go to the bigger cards that we all want to see. All right, so our one hit is in this pack. Please be good, huh?
Hopefully.
Saint, Bronco?
Let's hope.
$5? Huh? That's good.
$5.
Danny Woodhead, Benny Fowler, Kiko Alonso, Theo Riddick, Odell Beckham, Samaje Perine, and then it's a Bronco.
It is a Bronco.
You owe me $5. Darian Stewart. Little patch card? Seriously, bro. Venmo me $5.
I'm going to.
Blake Bortles.
I think I lost that bet.
Kareem Hunt. And then a couple rookies. Cedric Wilson. I don't even know how to say that. Equanimous St. Brown and Mark Andrews. Mark Andrews had a big year last year. All right, guys. So down to three of the better packs we have here. So I'm going to do the basketball Optic next. Today was in Kenny's Collectibles here in Austin, Texas. Great store. Guy hit a out of 50 Zion Williams. And then they opened up about 10 more packs. Didn't hit anything. So I decided to buy a pack just in case something hits. So hopefully we got us a big card in here.
That was the $5.
Thank you. Darius Basley, Chris Paul, Damian Lillard, and Eric Gordon.
I don't even know how to say that name. Ignas Brizdeikis, Kevin Love, Fantasy Stars Giannis, and Nikola.
What's his name?
Nikola?
Vujovic.
Vujovic.
We saw him this year, remember?
Yeah, we went to the game. We just moved to Austin from Orlando a couple weeks ago.
All right, we need a big hit here. Jarrett Culver, Robert Covington, Kemba Walker, and Donovan Mitchell.
These are cool. D'Angelo Russell, Al Harford, and Grant Williams rated rookie.
So no big hits out of that pack, but a couple of nice cards. We'll go straight into
XR.
XR's next, I guess. And there's only 2 packs in there. So I'm going to open them both. Team player over here. This is the second box of XR I've opened in the last few weeks, and the first one was not great, so I'm hoping this one makes up for it. Should be a lot of nice cards in these packs. Nice Joey Bosa. Tremaine Edmonds. Kenyon Drake out of 199. That's a good looking card.
That's pretty cool.
Terry McLaurin out of 199. Looks like I got a hit here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Debo Samuel, number 1 out of 25.
That's
Auto.
dirty.
Got that shadow box in there.
Man, that's dirty.
Corners look to be pretty good. Oh no. That back corner is bent really bad. Man. I'm keeping it anyways, guys. That is an awesome card. So it's a good pull. I'm pretty upset about that corner. Should still have another auto in this next pack or two. DK Metcalf out of 149. And Jawan Williams, rookie card. Pretty excited about that. Nice little pack there.
Man, the corner sucks.
I know. All right, I should have one more auto in this pack here. I think there's 2 autos and 1 memorabilia card, so I should have a memo and auto. I think.
RPA maybe?
There's another card with a bad corner though. Jesus.
Oh, man.
Stinks when you pay $140 and have 2 packs and messed up cards in it. Kerryon Johnson base card. His buddy, Matthew Stafford. I think they're probably buddies. Darius Juice, guys. Bad corner on that one too. And that's not cool. Let's see here. Alex Barnes out of 249. There's my other auto, Trayvon Mullen. For the had to be the Raiders on a team I hate more than anything. Y'all know I'm a Bronco fan. Well, that's kind of cool. Out of 49, really cool. Triple patch with Jadeveon, DeAndre, and Deshaun. Too bad 2 of those 3 players no longer play for the Texans. But I'm a pretty big fan of all 3 of those guys, so pretty cool card. I got a lot of Texan friends. I lived in Houston for a while, so I'm sure a couple of them will want that card off me. And then just a Josh Oliver base rookie. Nice card. All right, not a bad little XR box. Now, last box of the night. Six cards in this box, guys. 1 pack. Better be a good pack, right?
Open.
This came in a case of 10 boxes. 3 of them had been opened at the card store. They said there was no big hits in the first 3 boxes, so that's what really got me to go ahead and go with this pack. So let's see what we got.
There's 2 cards on that. Oh, that's just Donovan Wilson, rookie.
Ticket.
Yep. X's and O's, Earl Thomas, Mark Ingram. Oh, that's really cool. I like that card. Really cool card. Out of 99.
Nice.
Red season ticket, Tremaine Edmonds. 12 out of 75, Ty Summers. Auto. Rookie for the Packers. We got a redemption. Russell Wilson. And the redemption.
Needs to be a good one.
All-time contenders blue, Dwight Freeney. Card number 7.
It's actually a pretty good card, but
I like Dwight.
All right, guys, that's all the cards we have tonight. If there's anything that you really liked, especially in those last few packs, give us a shout on Instagram. And we'll definitely make you a good deal on them. We're at 62 followers. We need to get to 100 for this OC. Definitely want to give it away to somebody who's deserving. Pretty cool. Has a certificate of authenticity. Once we get past the 100, our next milestone will be a probably 500 followers, and we'll give away one of these mini helmets we got here. We got about 15 signed mini helmets, and we got 7 or 8 big helmets as well. That'll be like probably past 1,000 or something before we give one of those away. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully we get better at this. We're going to try to get some good boxes for all of our breaks. But thanks again, guys.